What's up guys, kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about BDO credit card activation. Paano nga ba i-activate yung BDO credit card natin? Kasi minsan, may times na hindi tayo makapag-activate guys. Kaya naman kailangan nyo malaman kung ano nga ba yung pinaka-secret para or kung ano talaga yung dapat nyong gawin para makapag-activate kayo ng BDO credit card. At saka pag-uusapan din natin guys kung paano nga ba mapangalagaan yung BDO credit card natin once activated na. Kasi kapag ito ay na-activate na, prone na ito guys sa mga unauthorized transactions. Kaya naman, para mapangalagaan ninyo, kailangan yung tandaan yung mga bagay na yon. At ibibigay ko sa inyo yung tips on how to prevent your credit card from having unauthorized transactions. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So ito guys, so unahin muna natin yung how to activate BDO credit card. In the next ko na lang yung tips para maprotektahan natin or mapangalagaan natin yung credit card natin once ito ay activated na. So ito guys, credit card activation as you can see. Fill out the required information to activate your credit card. So ito guys, may kailangan kayong puntahang website ni BDO para doon kayo mag-activate ng BDO credit card. Sa mga nagtatanong kung ito ba ay safe or hindi, ito po ay safe guys. Huwag kayong mag-alala. At ilalagay ko na lang guys yung link sa description para ma-redirect kayo sa website na yon ni BDO. At legit po iyon guys. Pwede nyo naman po i-verify guys kasi nakalagay doon is yung official website ni BDO. So pagka-click ninyo, ma-redirect kayo papunta sa platform or sa page na yon. So ito guys, kailangan nyo lang gawin. Asterisk is a required field. Activate your card. To activate your card, enter your card information below. Kasi maraming way or method para ma-activate yung BDO credit card. Ito ay isa lamang. Mamaya malalaman nyo pa yung ibang paraan para ma-activate yung BDO credit cards ninyo. Upon submission, an OTP will be sent to verify your account. So, before ma-proceed yung activation ng credit card guys, para to make sure na sa inyo talaga yan, mamaya hindi pala yan sa inyo at ina-activate ninyo, magpapadala ngayon ng OTP as verification sa registered mobile number. So ito guys, kailangan nyong alam na kapag nag-apply kayo ng credit card, kung ano yung nilagay ninyong mobile number doon, yun talaga ay dapat active siya guys. Kasi kapag naging hindi na yun ma-access or hindi na yun pwede ma-receive yung OTP na ipapadala doon, hindi nyo ma-activate yung BDO credit card ninyo. So ito guys, credit card number. So baka kasi matakot kayo guys kasi wala maglalagay kayo ng credit card number, ito po ay safe naman at legitimate. Ilalagay ninyo yung 14 to 16 digits number ng credit card. Makikita yan guys sa harap ng card ninyo. Merong maraming numbers dyan, mahaba. Yun yung ilalagay nyo sa credit card number. Yung expiration date of course, ilalagay ninyo, makikita nyo rin dyan yung EXP. Yun yung expiration date na sinasabi. MMYY. Ibig sabihin, month and year yung format niya. Enter expiration date in MMYY format. So, kailangan nyo i-follow yun para ma-push through yung activation ninyo. Date of birth. So, kung kailan yung birthday nyo guys, para ma-verify yung activation process ng credit card ninyo. Enter date of birth in month, date, and year format. So, ayan, nakikita nyo naman, sa expiration date is MMYY lang. Ibig sabihin, yung last 2 digits lang ng year. Like for example, 2024. So 24 lang ilalagay ninyo. Dito naman sa date of birth guys, MMDDYYYY. So ibig sabihin, complete numbers talaga siya like 2020. So 2020 talaga siya or 1997. 1997 talaga siya. Data privacy consent. So, kailangan nyo mag-agree guys sa privacy consent in compliance with the requirements of the Data Privacy Act. So, mahaba siya guys kung babasahin natin. Jump na lang tayo guys sa baba. Ayan, nakikita nyo may box. I agree to BDO's data privacy statement. So, pag na-click ninyo guys, okay na lahat. Yung details na in-code na ninyo, kumpleto lahat. Magbo-blue yung activate na yan. Pagka-click ninyo ng activate guys, then yun, makaka-receive kayo ng OTP. At i-enter ninyo ngayon, then yun, activated na yung BDO credit card ninyo. Magpapadala ng welcome text message or display na your credit card has been activated. Then pwede naman guys via SMS. Ito yung mas mabilis guys actually via SMS. Ngunit, kailangan nyo na malaman guys na yung kailangan nyo gawin or kailangan nyo gamitin na mobile number pan-text para ma-activate yung credit card ninyo is yung registered mobile number doon nung nag-apply kayo, kung ano yung nilagay ninyo. You can activate a BDO credit card through SMS by texting activate space first name / middle name / last name. Last 4 digits of card. So ito yung mas safe guys. Kung medyo hindi kayo feeling safe doon sa website, dito na lang kayo sa via text message using your mobile number. So kailangan nyo lang gawin guys is andito yung format, activate space first name / middle name / last name. Last 4 digits of your card. So makikita nyo naman yung last 4 digits sa credit card. Then send nyo siya ngayon sa 225678. Another option is to visit BDO website. Yun yung una, yun yung kanina. And provide your card number, birth date, expiration date, and code. Then alternatively, you can call BDO Contact Center at 632-888-8000 and follow the prompts for card activation. So, ito guys, pangalawang method ito, which is via text message. Yung kailangan nyo lang is yung mobile number na nakaregister tapos isend nyo siya sa 225678. Yun yung activate space first name, ganyan. Then, yung pangatlo guys is you should have to call BDO Contact Center via 8888-000. Then, magbe-verify again doon si customer service. Dadaan kayo ng verification, ganyan. So ito guys, recap lang. Meron tayong tatlong method to activate our BDO credit card. Una is via text message or SMS activation. You have to text the command, type activate space first name / middle name / last name / last 4 digits of your card, then send it to 225678. Then yung method 2 naman is online activation. You have to go to BDO website. So ililink ko yun guys sa description para sa BDO official website for BDO credit card activation. Check nyo na lang sa description. And then yung method 3 is via phone activation. So you have to call the hotline, +632-888-8000, then follow the prompts, press the appropriate numbers for credit card services. Kasi bawat customer service hotline guys, merong departments doon. So you have to call the credit card department. So kailangan yung i-press yung certain number. Kasi pag tawag mo doon, sabihin, press the number, ganyan-ganyan. Then, yun. Then yun guys, dapat tayo ngayon sa tips on how to prevent or to keep our credit card account secure and safe from unauthorized transactions. So, all you have to do guys is kapag activated na yung BDO credit card natin, you should always know that BDO credit cards contains confidential details like yung card number, yung expiry date, at saka yung CVV or CVC sa likod ng credit card. Kasi sa harap, andyan yung card number, at saka yung expiry date, andyan yung pangalan nyo. And then sa likod, pag flip ninyo, andun yung 3-digit security code. Yun lang naman yung kailangan nyo talagang pangalagaan, yung mga confidential details ng credit card. Kasi pwede siyang magamit sa BDO, kasi pwede siyang magamit sa online transactions, like sa online platform na tumatanggap ng credit card payments. I-enter lang yung card details, then yun, magagamit na nila yung credit card ninyo. Kaya naman alagaan nyo yun, guys. So I think that's all for now. So sana may na-share ako. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!